Welcome, kids. Welcome to Computer Studies. So, today we'll be talking about computer studies for beginners, and I'll be the one instructing you. It is free. So, what is a computer? A computer is an electronic device that accepts data, processes the data, stores information, and produces useful results. In simple terms, a computer helps us receive information, works with information, save information, and produce information. So, for example, when you type your name into a computer, the computer receives what you typed as data, it processes the information and displays your name on the screen. Computers are used in all parts of modern life. They are used in schools, banks, communication for in hospitals, shops, offices, homes, businesses, airports, government organizations. In fact, you use them every blessed day calculating. The four basic functions of a computer, we have the input, receiving data, the processing, working on the data, the storage, keeping data and information, then the output, that one gives you the information being processed. So now I'll give an example. When you type 25 plus 25 into a calculator, the keyboard, it receives the input. The computer processes the number. The result can be stored temporarily. The screen provides the output 50. These are the four functions of a computer. So thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to my channel, and I'll be expecting you for the next class. Bye. Thank you.